Labor shortages in healthcare are limiting clinical placements, making it harder than ever for your students to get hands-on training. What if there was a way to prepare students for real-world scenarios, no matter where they are? Introducing our collection of virtual simulations, a groundbreaking initiative led by Colleges and Institutes Canada in collaboration with Simulation Canada. With over 200 simulations, educators nationwide can offer innovative, hands-on learning experiences in nursing, medical laboratory sciences, sonography, paramedicine, and respiratory therapy, allowing students to develop their skills in a safe environment. Our simulations were designed by educators from over 30 post-secondary institutions using a wide range of technology. Each simulation has been peer-reviewed for quality, relevance, and pedagogical effectiveness. And the best part? They're open educational resources, free to use and fully searchable, making them easy to find, adapt, and integrate into existing curricula. Join over 50 institutions and more than 10,000 students who have benefited from these simulations. Together, we can improve healthcare education and patient care nationwide. Access the collection today and take the next step in enhancing your curriculum.